You are not audible.
Is class started?
Yes, sir.
Hello. Hello everyone. So this is week 3 solve with us. So you have to join this peer deck, right? So search this joinpd.com and this is the pin for that. Okay.
Your voice is really low.
Yes, sir. Voice clear नहीं आ रही है.
और your voice is low.
नाम अपना है ये नहीं लेंगे.
Sir, can you repeat the instructions, please?
Yeah.
We just have to open joinpd.com and then
Yes.
enter the code. That's it.
Yes, yes.
नाम अपना है नहीं लेंगे.
Also, I have a doubt.
Sure. Sure, tell me. So you have to what's up?
So could you please show the code again? Yes.
Yeah, okay. So this is the code and search joinpd.com and join this peer deck. Okay. 36. Join fast. Yeah, join.
Excuse me, sir. I have a doubt related to statistics.
Yeah, tell me.
So, the mock tests that that were released on a portal, like like on the IITM portal.
Mm-hmm.
So the deadline for them are 28. Like, I have a doubt that what exactly are these mock tests for? Like, because we don't have it for any other subjects. So that's what I was like confused about.
You will have this qualifier exam, right?
Right.
So for that, the mock test is there. Same thing.
Oh, and right.
So currently we have
have
released for 2 weeks, week 1 and week 2.
week 2, and it's only for statistics. That's what I was confused about.
Sir,
Because I
mock test for the qualifier exam.
When is qualifier exam? So this
7th,
is
if you have
7th
qualified for
July.
the first 2 weeks here.
yeah.
So the marks of the mock test has nothing to do with the qualifier, right?
Yeah, that's
Yeah,
also
yeah.
what I
Nothing. It's a for practice only.
Okay,
Okay.
thank you.
Okay.
Yeah, join fast. 212. Guys,
Sir,
student
hello.
joinpd.com and use this code to join the peer deck. 78 students yet join. Okay.
Hello, sir.
Yeah, hello.
Yes, sir. Sir, it is compulsory to join OFP group.
What is OFP group?
Sir, it is showing in the screen on the screen, sir.
Oh, this is the code for the, yes, it is compulsory. This is for this session. So the questions will appear in your screen, so you can maybe join with mobile or anything. Okay, mobile would
Sir,
be
can you please send the link, sir?
link is joinpd.com.
Join PD. Okay, okay, sir.
This is the link.
Sir, what is the toughness of the qualifier exam, sir?
Same as mock. So you solve the
How is
mock
problem
and
in mock, sir? The
Sir, will you discuss the mock answers, sir?
sorry.
Will the mock answers be discussed in the class, sir? I'm having doubt in those some questions, sir. One of the question is having, it is asking for incorrect options, but the all options are correct over there.
Sir, we have to Google it, joinpd.com.
Yes. On browser you can search. So join through mobile would be
Okay, sir. Okay.
it will be easier for you. So you can see the presentation on laptop or something and give answers with the mobile. So we'll discuss mock in maybe later classes. Okay.
Excuse me,
Okay,
sir.
sir. Okay,
Sir, can you refer some other question paper, sir? Because in mock test, I'm getting less marks, sir. I don't know will I qualify. Can you suggest any other material, sir?
No, don't go through any other material. Just watch our videos, solve this activity question graded assignment again, and learn that part perfectly. You'll be able to you'll be able to qualify. Okay. Don't go for more.
Excuse me, sir.
Whatever you have, have a depth in that.
Excuse me,
Sir,
sir.
both qualifier and quiz one are the same exams or different exams?
Yes. For you, it is same. For qualified student, same thing.
Excuse
For
me.
the JEE students, it is quiz one, and for the qualifier students, it is
Yes.
qualifying
So
exam.
since JEE students are already qualified, they don't need to give qualifier exam to join the course.
So both the exams will be held on July 7th, and both are the same exams.
Yes, same exam.
Okay.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah.
Do these classes affect our CGPA?
joinpd.com. What is this joinpd.com? I
You have
recently
to so search and browse and join this. So you will get questions on this. You have to respond to that. We'll discuss all the this is solved with us, right? So questions will be there.
Okay. Sir, what is enter code?
Code is this OFP KXA. This is the link.
So do
this
these
is the code.
classes affect our CGPA?
No. Only graded assignment and this quiz or qualifier for you.
So I have one more doubt.
Hello.
Yeah. Hello.
Sir,
Can you give graded assignment question number 3?
No, not today. We'll have it on other days. Okay, today we'll solve. Today we'll do this. Solve with us.
Ma'am, tomorrow we have to submit it. So.
But that is graded assignment, right? So I mean, we can't discuss before that.
Sir, can you show that code once again, sir? Join PD code.
It's here. OFP KXA at the right side of the screen.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Yeah.
Sir, when will our hall ticket will be released?
I'm not sure that you will get it right. So
excuse me, sir.
First you will have some for qualifier also there is 2 weeks of grade assignment solution. Then your whole ticket will be released. So I'm not sure.
Yes, sir. Okay.
Sir, I have a doubt, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, both students who are qualified for the 7 July exam, so we have to complete the week 3 assignment also.
That is, yes, you have to complete all the assignments. Yes. I mean, it will be calculated later on for grades. So if you qualify the statistics, if you qualify for this course, then yes, it will be later on used as a graded assignment. So the marks will be add to the CGPA.
Hello, sir. For the non-qualified students, sir, can we change Gmail?
I'm not sure. You can mail to support.
I think you can change it after the first term ends.
Hello.
Hello.
Sir, like the assignments that we have submitted, do they affect qualification exam? Like, does
No,
this affect the score or no?
not for qualification exam. So qualifier exam,
So
it is
it's
just a cutoff for qualifier exam.
like, does it not affect it at all?
I mean, not at all means you are eligible for that or not,
Like,
that
yes,
it
it
can
does
decide.
affect the eligibility, but like, does it affect the overall score of the qualification exam?
No, not the exam. Exam is individual. So that
What happen if he's
Sir,
not qualified this qualifier exam, sir?
then you don't get into this, right? I mean, you
sir,
don't qualify.
Sir, again I can't write this
Yes,
to
you
get
can
in
write
the.
again. You can write again as many
Oh,
time. I mean,
okay.
next
sir,
qualifier 2 is there. Then for
There is no
next,
limit for this, sir.
Sir,
yes,
There is no limit for this.
yeah, there is no, but there are times, right, when you can give it. So now you can give exam, then again you can give at some point.
sir.
Okay,
sir,
sir.
Sir, we can move, sir. Sir, we can move right now. Sir,
Yeah,
we can
so
move.
okay, any support related doubt like exam, anything, then we are not discussing anymore.
sir, sir, will you be taking the summary
Sir,
session for week 1 or week 2?
Sorry?
Will you be taking the summary session for week
No,
1, week 2?
no.
Or
Today is week 3, solve with us. No.
Sir,
okay,
Yes.
sir.
Sir,
sir, can I know
Sir,
the exam pattern of quiz one?
No, I don't know. Sorry. I'm not gonna release tell you
sir,
that.
it is mandatory to give quiz one exam for JE students.
No.
sir, where is the mark one market test, sir?
Sir,
We can
so
move
JE
right now.
students have
Sir,
to
It's
give the
on the portal.
qualifier exam.
the 70 minutes left, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, can
Okay,
you please start
we'll
the
move
class?
ahead. Okay. So this is the first question. It
Sir, we can take
will
the doubts
be
on the last, sir.
yeah. So
Short of
it
the
should
minutes,
have
sir.
been so this is the first question.
Sir, we'll
Sir,
start the.
Yeah, you
Sir,
can
hold on,
start
sir.
responses.
Sir, I have a one doubt. You are not solving any activity question.
No, first you have to do it.
I am
Sir,
saying
excuse
you
me,
are
sir.
not solving any activity question.
This is solving session, not doubt clearing session.
Okay.
Yes. Yeah.
Sir,
And sir, one more doubt. And if we are having doubt in the previous questions, then how should we contact you?
Discourse.
Okay, sir.
sir,
Yeah.
sir, how will it affect the students who have already qualified for 7 July by submitting week 3 and week 4 assignments? Like, is it compulsory for us to submit? Because we have
No,
already qualified for the qualifier now.
it's not compulsory, but later on, if you let's say after qualifier, you will become student in this degree, is this program, right? So this graded assignments are used in CGPA
So,
computation. So that's
easy
how
in
it
the
happens.
foundation level or at the last degree level?
No, it happens every course, right? So every course you get CGPA. I mean GPA at least grade you get in every course. S,
So,
A, B. So
is
how
it,
that will come up?
if we even submit either of them, it will be fine. No?
No, you have to submit them. I mean, there are a few out of 12, at least you have to submit. So 12 will be there. If you join this program, then there will be 12 grade
No, sir, I'm
assignments. So
just
out of
talking
that, you,
about the week 3 and week 4 assignments.
yeah, but later on it will become out of 12.
Yes, sir, that I will submit. I'm just talking right now about the week 3 and week 4 assignments. So if I just submit either of them, it will be fine. It's not compulsory
Yeah,
for me
yeah,
to submit.
fine.
Okay.
Sir, and do JE students have to give
Not
the
graded
qualifier exam?
assignment affect our quiz one the score, sir.
I don't know. So guys, focus. We are now solving. Come
Sir,
here. Quiz.
sir, if the
See,
student score less than 40%, then he qualify or not?
no, sorry. See, don't see, guys. Come here. This is a solve with us session. Do this, okay? Focus what we are doing now. You will have your answers later on. We can. So there are many sessions you can ask on Discord. Many places you can get it. So, but for now, focus on the solving the part. Without solving, you'll not qualify. So do this part. Okay. So okay, this is the first question. How many responses I got? I got 76. Okay, guys, three, at least even half didn't submit it. So do this now. Solve this.
Sir,
How do we enter a response?
I've added
Yes.
the answer. Now
Yeah.
it's all right.
Yeah, that's all. Add your response. Give your response.
How do we answer in decimals?
Yes, sir. How do we answer in decimals?
It is not letting you.
Yeah,
No,
there
sir.
is
It is
no
only
like
asking
dot
for
option. There is not a
only
point
in
option.
you can
Letting me, sir. It's
So it
letting
is
me,
possible.
sir.
It
For
is
let.
taking dot.
It's taking decimal.
Yeah, it's taking, sir. I've just entered.
Okay.
Yes, sir, it's taking.
Yeah. Okay. How many submissions? Okay, 100, 101. Okay, maybe we can close this. This is easy question. So next, if anybody else, we will try. Okay. So this is very straightforward. You just need to find the mean of it. Okay. So, but here the frequencies are given. So, how will you do that? You will multiply frequencies. So frequencies is the count, right? Number of time 2 is appearing. So 2 is appearing 8 times in the data set, and 6 is appearing 4 times, 7 is appearing 6 times, like that. So
Point 76, sir.
something like this, right? So no, 176. No, that can't be. You have to compute the mean, right? Mean or x bar or something.
So
9.76.
Okay. So that is, you have to submit up all the numbers, right? So, but here numbers are not, you are going frequencies. So they are saying 2 is appearing 8 times, right? Then they are saying, the question is
6 is appearing 4 times.
6 is appearing 4 times, 7 is appearing 6 times, and so on. So if you go like this, then you will have, and at the bottom, denominator, you have to add the frequencies also. So that is 8, 4, 6, and 5. So the answer is 5.52. So whoever has different answer, 9.76 something, that is incorrect. Okay. Okay. Next question. So next question is, you have these things.
So the previous answer is coming out to be 6.1.
Previous question.
Yes, the mean one.
Okay. So do this. We'll go back there.
Okay.
You can use calculator. If you will have calculator in your exam also. So
in qualifier exam also, sir?
Yeah, calculator will be there. I mean, you can't take your calculator. It will be there in the computer.
Sir, how can we contact you personally, sir? Through mail, it is possible, sir, for any doubts.
Discourse. You can write on discourse.
What
Sir,
time?
is there calculator available on the exam? 10 answer.
Yes.
Sir, calculator Sir, available on 10. exam?
Yes, calculator is available.
Sir, 10 answer.
Sir, answer is 10.
Yeah, whatever is submitted. Okay, we'll
The answer.
Where to submit?
join. So write joinpd.com in your browser, and this is the pin. it will ask for a pin. So this OFPX KX, you have to write there.
Sir, qualifier exam, it is available in calculator.
PT dot
Calculator,
PD dot
qualifier.
join PD.com. So
Sir,
yes.
qualifier exam.
Yes. Calculator will be there. Yes.
Use your calculator.
No.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Joinpd.com. So this is the website and this is the pin. Okay.
Sir, qualifier exam in online or
Online.
classroom?
Online, you have to go to the center.
Oh, go to the center. Okay.
So the answer to the first question is right. I did a calculation wrong. So we don't need to go back.
Okay. Sure. How much? Okay, 5 seconds. We'll submit. It's only 87, sir. Okay. Okay, we'll move on. So next. Same thing, right? What we did earlier. The same formula. X bar to compute the mean. You have to multiply frequencies with the number and divide by the frequency, right? So this is how you will compute a frequency, and this is how you multiply them. And there is only one variable, which is X, right? Out of this. So do the multiplication, division, and all. Anybody has doubt in this? Like, couldn't able to solve this X's and all?
No, sir.
Okay, you will be able to. Okay, so that much is at least required to solve this. Okay. Now, okay, so now we have another question. So I'll give 3 minutes to this also.
I didn't get how to join, sir. PT.com in browser, sir. No response.
Not PD, joinpd.com.
Joinpd.com.
The name, the website is like this, joinpd. So JOINPD.
Okay, sir.
Then the pin. Okay.
And how many questions will be there in qualifier exam?
13 to 14 question, 13 to 15 question, you can.
Only for statistics, right? 13 to 15 questions.
Yes, only for statistics. Yes. For others, I'm not sure.
So from where will we get this PDF?
You will get it in the supplementary content or somewhere. It will be there.
Okay, sir.
Probably you'll get the link of it. So you can access this slides.
Okay, sir. Sir, and if we write something in discourse for the teacher, if the teacher is free for the extra session for providing the doubts to us, will he be conducting it?
Yeah, if he agrees to, then yes.
The answer is first.
Okay, sir.
Okay, yeah, whatever answer is submit here, right? Submit into this. Okay, we have a range of answers. So you can submit.
Sir, the code to join is P and PIN.
This is the pin, OFPX KX.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, okay. 17 seconds, guys, fast. Submit your responses. I'll solve this. Okay, don't worry. That question was we'll just copy this and go here. Yeah, okay. So this is the question, and let me solve it for you. Can you please mute your mic? Okay. So since see we have 5 observations, right? Let's say x1, x2, x3, x4, and x5. These are the 5 observations. For which they are saying that population mean is 10 and population standard deviation. So standard deviation is sigma. Sigma is 6, right? Variance is sigma square. So later discovered that one of the observation recorded as 6. It should have been 1. So they are saying that let's say this one x5. There it was while computing this thing it was 6. Then later on they found out that it shouldn't be 6. It should be 1, something like that. So then if it is 1, then what should be the mean of that, right? So what will be the correct mean? So we need to find the mu, you can say, right? So for now this is the question. So to do that, what we'll do yeah. So see, to compute the mean, what we do is we sum it up all the numbers, right? From I is equal to 1 to 5, and all the numbers xi, and I'll divide that by the n, right? In this case, n is 5, and mu I know, like this is given, so this is 10. Correct. So from that I will know what is the summation of this
P
is.
into n.
So that is 10 into 5, right? Which is
Yes, sir. 50.
And they are saying that they mistakenly given, so 1 was 6 out of this.
45.
But it
Yeah,
should be 1,
45.
right? So we will subtract
45. 45, sir.
this number.
We will divide 45 by 5.
Yeah,
By
yeah,
5. Yeah, correct. 9 is the answer.
45
by 5.
Yeah, sure. Okay, let me finish. But we'll divide this number because it was mistaken, and this is the correct number. So we'll add that, right? So that's how we'll get 50 minus 6 is 44 plus 1, 45. So we have now the summation of this, right? So again, we'll have 5 observations only. So if I do I is equal to 1 to 5, xi.
Sir, I'm not clear, sir. Please repeat one step.
Divide by, yeah, sure. So that is 45 by 5, and that will be 9. Okay. So okay. See, in this, what we are doing is we have 5 numbers. We know the summation of mean, we know. So mean formula is this, right? Mean formula is to compute the mean. What we do is we do summation from 1 to n and xi, right? And divide by n. So in this case, n is 5 because 5 observations are there. So we need to find this. If we know the summation of all the numbers, then I can reduce the number which was incorrect and then put the correct number, right? So let's say x1, x2, x3, x4, and x5 are there. So let me write x instead of x5. Let me write. So it is So let's say this is 6, right? This were the numbers, right? So they are saying this shouldn't be like this. The number should be like x2, x3, x4, and 1. So this is the correct one. This is incorrect. Like that the mistake was found later on, right? So how to compute mean for this? So for this, mean is given. I mean, so we know we need to compute the summation of this all, right? Then if we know the summation of this all, I can just subtract the 6 out of that and add 1 into that. Then I know the summation of this. So if I know the summation of this numbers, then I can find the mean of that, right? So mean is same again, like summation of this numbers, which contains 1, and then divide by n, which is 5. So it is coming out to 45, and this is 5. So that will make it 9. Okay. Still, if not clear, you can maybe see the slide if that helps to you. So this is how you do it. Okay. So 9 is the answer. Okay. Yeah. How many got it? 9 is the answer. So I'm not sure how many got it, but there are like a lot of range. Yeah, okay. This is over. So this is how you compute the answer. So summation of all of them, which is 50. Then you know that 1 is the correct and 6 is the incorrect. So you subtract 6 out of that and add 1. This is the simple ones. Okay, so this is one of the formula for expanding variance. So this will come handy. I will explain this also. So generally what we do is we have this variance, right? Variance or sigma square also you write that. So this is for population. Okay, and for that what we do is we have this 1 by n. So I take all the numbers, I subtract what mean out of that, and I square that, right? And sum it up all together, like from I equal to 1 to n, right? I sum all of the numbers. So I'm just expanding this, nothing new, just the mathematics. So to solve the square, what we do is we have xi square, like a minus b whole square, right? So in school you have done a minus b whole square. This is the same formula. So you can write it like a first square, then a square, then you can write minus 2 times ab. So that is in this case xi mu, then plus mu square. Okay, something like this. And of course we have to divide all the summation is there still 1 to n, and you have to divide it by n. Okay, so that's how this is. So summation is there. So let me expand the summation now for you. So summation of I is equal. So let me write the summation. Okay, you know that it's same thing 1 to n. Okay, because I need to write it anytime. So xi 1 to square, then minus. So in this case, see, there are 3 things, 2, xi, and mu. So you know that we are changing I only, right? I is equal to 1 to n. So 2 mu is a constant. So I can take it out, the mu part. Then the summation of I is equal to 1 to n and xi. Okay. Then I have mu, which is a constant. So I'll take it out, mu square outside. Then what's there inside? If I take out mu square outside, 1, right? 1 will be there. So I'll sum 1 n times 1 1 1 1 1 like that, and this is the whole bracket. So this part I'll not change anything. So you can say this is same. In this, if you know that what is this? This is the summation of it, right? So if you know that mu, what is mu? Mu is the summation of xi divided by n, right? So from this I can write n times mu, correct? So, so we will just erase this because I need to write it again. Now, so what will this 1 minus this? Here I have to write xi square summation. Okay, 2 times I wrote summation. Then summation is 0 from 1 to n. Then this will become 2 mu, and this will become n times mu. So n times mu is there, multiplication, then plus mu square is there. Okay, this mu square is there, and then I will sum it up 1 n times. So that will make it n. Okay. Now say this is 2 mu square n, and this is mu square n. So I need to subtract it right now, minus and all. So if I do that, and this is a bracket, you can say. So if you do this subtraction, you will have this xi square summation from 1 I is equal to 1 to n, and minus mu square n. Okay, and that's how you can do it. So this is also a way. So what we are saying here is, if I know all the numbers, let's say I know x1 to x1, x2, x3 and all, okay, I'll give you this number. So you can subtract like x1 minus mu square and do the thing. But what I'm saying is, you just you square them all, you square them, all of them, sum it up. Okay, this is what this part is saying. Then from this, all the summation, subtract out the mean square. So whatever mean is there, subtract out that, multiply it by n or something. So if you do this multiplication, then this will also get divided out. I mean, if you don't want to, okay. So multiply it by n, and then you can divide whole thing by n. So this is what the meaning of this formula. Okay, that's what it is mentioned here also. So they are using x bar instead of mu, and okay, I'm not sure why. Okay, so yeah, so the population variance is this. You can maybe write it out, that this is how it looks like, right? So the population variance, so which was xi minus mu whole square summation of I is equal to 1 to n, and you divide that by n, which is also xi square. So I'm just squaring them xi's and then summing it up from 1 to n. Okay, then I'm dividing them by n, and from that I'm subtracting mu square. You can write like this. So now n is not required. I divided it up. So here this n and this n I'm dividing, and here I have to divide it. So this is how also you can compute it. So this will be required in the next question, that this is how you can compute the this one variance. Okay, so this is what, sigma square. This is equal to sigma square. Sorry. Hello.
Oh. Sir, mu is the mean, right?
Yeah, mu is mean. So that's how we define mean, right? So mu is mean. This is mean. This
Sir,
is
what do you mean by median rating?
Median rating?
Yes, sir.
I'm not sure. Is this related to this? I mean, where does that come from? Okay, so this how you can write it. So that is sigma square. So next question will be on that. We can go there. So okay, yeah. So this is the question on the. So
Sir,
now you have to.
population variance is sigma square.
Yes, population variance is sigma square.
Okay, sir.
So you have to find what is the population variance of the original data set, right? So the previous one only, in which we find the mean, but now for that data set you need to find variance, sigma square. Yeah, I'll maybe give you 3 minutes.
Sir, sir, hello, sir.
Hello, hello, sir.
Sir, hello.
Answer is 0.
Great, great answer.
Sir, done, sir.
Okay. Need more time?
Answer
Others?
36.
Others? Need more time?
Yes.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Sir, please look up
No,
the
sir.
sigma square formula.
Because there are only 59 responses. Why others are not doing it?
Sir, please look at the sigma square formula.
Sir, do we?
You want that formula? Okay, yeah, this one.
Sir, what is x bar means?
That is mu. Mu. So I use mu because it was population mean to explain things. But it is
xi means mu, sir.
no, not xi, x bar. So
X
bar.
bar means mu.
Yeah,
Mu.
mean, right? You
Yes,
call
sir.
sample mean as x bar and population mean as mu.
Yes, sir.
Since
Yes, sir.
here they use population, so I to explain I use mu, but the slide they
Eh,
use x bar. And
Xi means, sir.
that are numbers, which numbers you have in the data, right? So x1, x2, x3, like we have in our question 5 data sets, 5
Yes, sir.
Population,
observation. So that is observation.
population,
Xi is
population variance is square of population standard deviation, I think.
Done, sir.
okay. Yeah, but okay, we got only 59 responses. Why is that?
We got this answer, sir. Mean is
Yeah.
9 and variance is 48.
Okay. Okay. So
No, sir, 36.
yeah. What? So okay. What answers we got? We got okay again a very high range. Okay. See.
36.
Okay. First we have very low submission, and next is still in that also not many are correct. I think. Mm, so why is that? I mean, why others are not submitting? So we have 224 at least are in this peer deck. 252 are in the meet, and I don't know why rest of them didn't join.
how to give our response, yeah, G?
Yes, sir.
How to give our response?
You have to join this website and then give this as a pin, and then this you can give the response. Giving in chat or what?
Sir, qualifier
Yes,
exam
yes,
right
sir.
in online.
Sorry?
Qualifier exam right in online or classroom pin.
So which website?
We can take it later on that question. You have question related to this now?
We are
Yes,
from
sir.
response, sir.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Thanks.
Sorry?
Sir, can you see which website, sir, to join?
Can you see the screen?
Sir,
I'm not able to join. Yes, sir.
So
so
this is the
can you
website.
please tell how to join the Discord?
This is the
Sir, I
pin.
didn't receive my ID card and admission letter. What should I do?
I don't know. Please mail support. See, if you have doubts related to this, then ask. Otherwise, I'll not take your doubt. Okay? Because
Sir,
Sir, what is the answer, sir?
okay, we'll go. This
सर
is
एक बार क्वेश्चन
answer.
एक्सप्लेन कर दीजिए सर, मैं समझ नहीं पा रही हूँ एक्चुअली
Okay.
क्या क्या गिवन है क्वेश्चन में,
Okay.
नहीं पा रही
Okay.
हूँ.
Okay. See. Okay, I'll not use the. Let me write it. So, see, the question is same this, right? This
Yes, sir.
part. So it didn't change. We just need to find the population variance now. Move on what? This was same thing. 5 observations are there. Mean and standard deviation was given. One number was so this okay 2x3 let's say and x4, and one was 6. And they are saying that for that they know the mean, they know the mean of it, and they know the standard deviation. Standard deviation is sigma. Sigma they are giving us, not the sigma square. They are asking about variance though. Yes. Okay. So sigma is 6. Okay. So but they are saying that okay, one point which is a 6 one for which is wrong one.
Wrongly given, sir.
Yeah, it is incorrect, right? So
Yeah.
so for this now they're asking find the standard deviation. So mean we already did. So for this mean is 9, the correct mean, and they are saying what is variance. They are asking about this. Okay.
Yes,
So see, since from the formula we get to know that to find the variance we can sum all the numbers. Okay. So sorry, square the numbers and sum it up. Okay. That we can do, and then divide by n. And from this, we can subtract the mu square, right? So do I know this? No, right? So first
No, sir.
I don't know this. I mean, I need to find this. But what I know is I know this one, I know this one, and I know this one from this one. See, this is the data, right? So from that I can give like so sigma square is 6 square. 6 is the sigma in the first one. If you see here, this is the one. Then this part I don't know. I don't know this part. Okay, so I'll just write it as it is. I know that observations are 5. I know the mean of it. So the number that is 10 square. So that is 100, right? And to find the answer, what I need to do, I need to bring it to the other side of the sign, right? Equal to sign. So that will be 6 square is 36. I'll write it as 36. I'll add 100 to that. So 10 square is 100. This is 100. Okay. So I'll add that, and then I need to multiply with 5, right?
It's 9 no, sir.
No. This is first we need to find xi square, right?
Yes, sir.
See, for this I don't know sigma square. I mean,
Sir. Okay.
so first I'll
We
find
got,
this.
sir. XI square is 680.
So if you do this 136 into 5, you'll have 680. Okay. So what it is? This is summation. The summation part we were able to figure it out of the square, right? So summation square, square summation, whatever, like so this part I get to figure it out. Now see, in this the problem is I have all the numbers now x1 square, x2 square, right? This all number till, let's say, x4. Okay, and then they are saying there is 6 square is there also in this one, but I don't want 6 square. What I want 1 square, because that is the correct one, right? This is the incorrect one, so I need to remove that, correct?
1 square, sir.
So I'll remove that. So, but I know this part now. I know that this is 680. So I'll remove 6 square from that.
Yes, sir.
So then I know this numbers, this 4 numbers square I know. Then in that 4 numbers I'll add 1 square. Correct?
Yes, sir, because it is wrongly given, sir.
Yeah, wrongly given, right? So
Yes.
so that I need to do. So what I need to do, I need to do 680 minus 36
Minus 136
and plus
minus
1.
plus 1
right?
square.
So that will become my new this xi square. Let's say you can call new or something. This is my new one. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So if I subtract 36 out of it,
So 645.
that will be 645. Correct. So this is my
Yes,
summation of that. And what I know now, see, again, if I write the sigma square part, and if I give xi square minus so xi square summation, okay, divide by n minus mu square. So this time I know this is 9 square, right?
Yes,
For the
yes,
new one, this
from
I know.
last
This
question.
this is 645. So this is 645 divide by 5 minus 45.
Yes, sir.
Sorry, 9 9s are 81. Sorry, 81. This is mu square, 81. Okay, so this, if you solve, I mean, you can multiply this by 5 and then
45.
540. Yeah, 45.
Right? Yeah, so this is 545.
No, just 45, sir.
Answer is only 48, sir. Answer will be 48.
48, sir.
Okay.
If you solve the problem, that it will be 48, sir.
Okay. So is a 40. So this I have to subtract from 645 and I have to divide it by 5. So if you do that 5 minus 5 is 0. 4 minus 0 is 4. 6, that is 240 divided by 5. Okay. And if you do that is
48.
Sorry.
48.
I'm doing it correct, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So this is 5 4s are 20 and 4 carry on, then 40. So it is 8, 48. 48 is the sigma square. This is sigma square. So if they ask what is standard deviation, so this variance, this is just a variance. If they ask what is standard deviation, right? So then you have to under root it. But for now we need to find this only. This is the right answer.
Sir, I have one doubt.
Yes.
What happened when the multiply some digit in a standard deviation or variance?
That is so that is given in the course, right? I mean,
in this same question, I will multiply by 2. Then what will happen in new variance?
That will, so standard deviation new will be
become half, sir.
Will become so
New equals to constant into old one, sir.
So this is, you are saying 2 times. So I'm saying C is 2. Okay, so C is equal to into sigma square old. Okay, so this is variance. This is how variance will get changed. And if you add the numbers, like add a constant, then nothing will happen. So this 2 is C. Okay, so in formula C. So currently I'm taking C is equal to. So this will happen, and if you add any number, then variance will not change.
I think, sir, he asked about standard deviation. I think in that case,
Yeah,
sir,
so
square root
in
will
this,
come.
in
C
that
will
case,
be,
you take the under root of both of them. So this
C will
you
only
take,
come, sir.
and this you take under root, then this will become sigma old, and this will become sigma new.
Sir, how to find median rating, sir, in a steam and lift question?
Yeah, we'll go there. We'll have that. So steam and lift, you need to know how steam and lift works. Then so this is how stem and lift are there, right? So generally key is given, like key is what key means is, like, let's say this 10, that means 10, or they say that this, so key is given anyway, like this is 22 or something like that. So that means consider this as in like multiple of 100, one multiple of 10, and this as a multiple of 1 only, right? So that's how this key is given. So generally this is the key given in our course, but you will come across many different kind of keys also. So okay, that's okay. So this I don't know, I think the stem
Sir,
is
I have one question regarding this key only, sir. Sir, these keys are set only to take the unit values in the leaf side, sir.
yes, that's what it means. So that's what it means. So what does it mean is that 1 is written here and 0 is written here, and this is the key. And same thing, like if it is 22, then like this you have to. So that's what this key means. If it is 32, so this how you will write 32. To write 24 like this. So 2 from here and 4 from here, 24. Because okay, so that's how these keys are there. Then the same thing, right? Median, you arrange them numbers, arrange them, and find the mid value to find the median. If
Sir,
it's
what
odd,
is the method?
what method?
Is 10 is a 1 by 0, 22 is a 2 by 2.
Yeah, so key, okay, what do you understand by key? That is the method. So key is given for that thing. I mean,
key.
So let's say I have, see I'll show you. So I have this number 10, 11, 12, 33, 54, 89. Okay, these numbers are there. Now I want to represent it with stem and leaf. So this how it is. So what I'll do is I'll write in terms of 10. Okay, in terms in yes, 10th value, right? So that's how this 1 0 will come, then 1, then 2. So that will represent 10, 11, and 12. Okay. Then I have 33. I don't have 2 or anything. So I can write 2 and then I don't write anything. That will also work, or I can even exclude that also. So it depends. So 33, then this is 54, and this is 89. So if you have, let's say, number more than this, like let's say 102, 102, then how will you write that? You'll write like 10 here and 2 this way. So you know that whatever value you take from here, so let's say you took 1, multiply it by 10 and add this number. So here this is 0, right? So this will come out to be 10. And if you take for the another one, like that is 1 time 10 plus 1. So that's how it is 11. And let's say you take this number 89.1. That is like 8 times 10 plus 9. So that's how this decoding goes. But from this you know that the key is the main factor to define how the numbers are written. Okay.
Sir, when the left side thing has no number, then what should we think?
Sorry?
Like the left side they gave a number, and on the right side they left it empty.
Mm-hmm.
Then what will be the number? For suppose on the left side they gave 2, and on the right side they didn't give any number. Then what will be the number?
Then that will be no number.
Okay.
Yes. At least see,
Sir,
that's what the key
sir,
is.
then
Like,
leaf is 0.
no, default leaf is not 0. So they
Sir,
have to
while
give the 0.
calculating the percentile,
See, they if they don't give the 0, then there is no leaf. I mean, then it doesn't exist. Okay, if it's just the empty 2, that means there is no value contains 20 to 30 data. So there is no value between 20 to 29. That's what it means. If it is empty.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, in the activity 5 for statistics week 3, question 4 to question 7 and question 8 to question 10, I didn't understand, sir.
Okay, we'll take it later.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, okay, so that's how you can find. So we were here.
Sir, in previous question, instead of population, if they will ask the sample standard deviation same like graded assignment, then the formula will remain same.
No, you have to. It will be little different, I think so.
Denominator will be n minus 1.
Yes.
Only that will be different, sir.
Yes.
Yes.
Oh,
Denominator is n, but you have to
Sir, I have a
multiply,
question.
divide mu square also with n minus 1. Okay.
Sir, I have a question.
Yes.
While calculating percentile, sometime it happens that two different percentile actually correspond to the same data point. So how do we solve that problem? See, the meanings that they convey are different.
I think you are making a mistake. Otherwise, how can 2 points
Sir,
I mean,
for
it's
example,
possible, right? Let's say 25th percentile is the same number. 26th percentile is also the same number. 27th percentile is also that number only. Like whatever.
yes, but they actually convey different meaning, right?
No,
No,
that
it's not
means
different meaning.
same thing, right? I mean, the meaning
This
is
is
that the whatever percentile is that that portion of the numbers are less than that value. That's what percentile means. So 25%.
Yes,
Let's say here I'm asking 25%. That means whatever number comes up, 25% of all the values present are less than that.
suppose sir, this 99% and 100 percentiles both will be the same value last time only.
Yeah, it's possible.
Yes,
but they are actually different.
No.
No, they are not.
They are not different.
Convey the different meanings.
Convey different meanings, but they are different.
So,
yes, meaning is different, but are they different or not? That depends on numbers, right? That depends on values we got.
What I am asking is there any other efficient way to calculate percentile that will not result in such anomaly?
It's not anomaly.
Sir, if two identical number are at third position and fourth position, and we have to give that 2.25 means 3, then third position for 25th percentile is taken.
Yes.
And fourth is also that. Then what for that?
Then 1 plus 8, 4, then you go 1 above 5.
Okay, sir.
Sir, I have a doubt, sir.
Mm-hmm.
Sir, regarding this question.
Okay.
Sir, if 3 is written in
Yes.
stem and
Yes.
in leaf it is not written any number, so
Yes,
we
sir.
will consider as 3.
No, then there is no leaf. That means that there is no value present.
Just ignore it,
Oh.
right?
Okay. So let's say the tree is there. Okay, consider a tree is there, a branch, a stem is there, and there is no leaf present on that. And I ask you from the leaf how many are there. Then you call that it doesn't there, right? It doesn't exist, the leaf. So you don't count them.
Yes, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay. In test of 50 marks. Okay. Okay. So see this. Okay, only 44 responses, even lesser.
Sir, please.
Okay, I'll explain this. So in stem and leaf row, so this represent 50 marks, right? So nobody can get more than 50. So that's what it's true, right? So this one student got how much? 12. One student got 18. Then there are a few students who got 20. Then there are 3 students who got 25. Nobody got anything in between 30 to 40 range. So in this,
hello, sir.
hello.
Sir, can you explain this question again?
Yes. So in this, stem and plot layer represent the marks obtained by students. So students are there in a class. They obtained how much marks out of 50 marks. So few students got this marks, right? So their marks are like 12, 18, 20, 25, 3 students got. Then in 30 to 40, nobody is there. And that is 45, 47, 49. So this is how the students are there. So if you see, there are 2 plus 4, 6 plus 3, 9. 9 students are there. Okay. Now they are asking what is the percentile. So okay, see. Okay. So
20.
Sir, 20, sir.
Answer is 20, sir.
So I have 12, I have 28, then I have 20, 25,
25, 25.
Okay, see, it's already ordered. The good
It's
point
not
of
28, it's 18.
It's 18.
It's 18, sir. Sir, what do you mean by 3? Leaf में कुछ है ही नहीं because 3 is equal to 30.
No, then there is nothing.
Nothing.
You don't write there anything. It's 45.
45, 47, 47 and 49. 49.
Okay, so this 9 numbers are then they are saying the 25th percentile. So
Yes, sir. So,
20,
so it would be, sir, 20, sir.
5th percentile, right? So yeah, so you have to order them in ascending order, and good part is it's already ordered for us, like in stem and leaf plot it is like 20.
Can I explain again?
So this 9 numbers are there. Okay.
Hello, sir.
Yeah.
So can you explain again? Last word.
Sure. So we have this stem and leaf, right? So one written here like this. So you have this, that means 2 number points are there, 12 and 18. Okay, that's how the stem and leaf plot goes on. So this is stems and these are leaves. Okay. So and then given 2, so 0, 5, 5, 5. So that means 3 students got 25 and 1 got 20. So that's how these marks are in there. Now they're asking to find the percentile, 25th percentile. Okay, 25th percentile. See, I'll show you one thing before that. So let's say they asked us what's 50th percentile, half it. Okay, so that means you have to divide this point in exactly half. Okay, exactly half. So let's see. So this is there and it's there. So equal distance. Okay, so this is the half one, right?
Sir.
This is the half.
Yes.
Right. Now they are asking half of that, 25th. I mean, this is 50% and this is 50% of the data. Now I'm talking about the portion of the data. Now they are saying what is 25th of that. So I mean, I have to half this also, right? So this is the half of that. So what the number comes there? 20, right? So that's how also you can see it, like that is like seeing. I'm seeing the things, like, right? But we always don't have that kind
Repeat,
of.
please, sir. Repeat, please.
So okay.
Sir, if your answer is not in quarter, I mean percentile given is not in quarter, then sir, like 63 percentile or 49 percentile, then sir.
Then also you can, yeah, that's what I'm saying, that it's not like that. Then there is formula, like that's what the next part is. So what I was explaining here is that the percentage, see, the understanding of percentile is this, that what we are trying to do is we are trying to divide this, like this is the 50th 50, right? So I'm cutting it in exactly half, and then they are asking 25, so I'm cutting exactly half again. So cutting exactly half again, right? So that's how this 25th percentile is coming up. But
sir, in case of even sequencer, so we need to take the middle average of middle two values, right?
no, not in this case. In
No,
this
this
case,
is odd. This is
Hello.
odd sequencer. Okay. If in case of, for example,
Yes,
10,
sir.
sir, it should be in that case, sir, we should
yeah.
have
So
to
there
take-
is, we'll use formula. I mean, like N and P, right? And that is better,
NP formula.
right? So let's say in this case we have N is 9.
N is
They're
9 or P is 2.25.
and they're asking what is 25th percentile. So that is like,
0.25.
right? So
0.25.
right. So see, if you see this is the percentage, right? I mean, how do you write percentages? So they're asking, let's say I have this this box or something. Okay, I'll tell you that, okay, cut it in half, then you cut it here. If I tell you cut it in 25th percent or something, then you cut here or something, like so. I mean, that's the imagination of this percentile, that's what you are doing. So the from out of 100 or out of the total part, how much you want to cut it, right? And you multiply that here, like that the imagination goes. But
Hello,
if you don't want the imagination, use the formula directly, N into P, which is this, and you will have some number which is 25 into 9 is
So it's coming 2.25.
225, right?
2.25
225 by 100, which is
2.25.
It's 2.25, sir.
Yeah.
That
So
2.2.
yeah.
2.25 percentile.
Sure. So
Nearest integers are 3 approximately.
so you go like counting this 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9, right? So where does 2.25 come? Like after 2. So
Okay.
after 2 you are around here. So then you can't say that this is so the next one is this. So that's why 20th become the 20 value will become 25th percentile. So if you go 26th percentile, maybe you will come up, you will have same answer. 27 percentile also same answer, maybe. Okay. So
The 225 what?
that is the multiplication of this 25 with 9.
Okay. Thanks, sir.
Yeah. So that's how the 20 is the answer.
Now,
No, sir, 25 is the answer. No, sir.
Hello, sorry for disturbing you, sir.
sir, is the number is greater, if it is more than the whole number, then we need to take the next number, right?
Yes. So yes. So whatever, like let's say 3.2 would have come, then I would have gone for fourth value. Fourth value.
Okay.
Yes.
Sorry for disturbing you, sir. Sir, मेरे को percentile निकालना नहीं आता.
सर ये 2.25 इसको सर approximately 3 में सर डेसिमल आने का
Question, sir.
Yes. So okay, percentile निकालने के लिए कुछ नहीं होता. देखो n होता है, n is कितने नंबर दिए हैं, आप कितना डेटा दिया है,
कितना ऑब्जर्वेशन दिया है,
इन दिस कितना ऑब्जर्वेशन दिया है. सो हमें 9 दिए हैं, 9 ऑब्जर्वेशन दिए हैं. ओके. then you multiply it with the percentile asked to calculate. So in this case, we are given that 25th percentile is the one, right? So we do 25 and divide it by 100. So this is the way you do it. So n into p is the formula. Okay. N is the formula. So 9 multiplied by 25 divided by 100. So and you compute this and you'll get 2.25, right? So whenever you get any number, let's say you got any number. So in this case, you got 2.25. You go one integer. So wherever the integer is there, greater than this, and it should be integer. Okay. So what is greater than this integer nearest? 3. Right. So let's say a number is 4.32, then the number is greater than this integer 5. If let's say number comes out to be 1.28, then it's 2. So like this. Okay. So whichever the nearest greater integer, that value will become percentile, not the number. So that means I'm talking about this number, the third one in this case, 2.25. That means I'm going to the third position. Okay. So 2 is the position of the thing, not the
percentile.
Yeah, position. So you have to go to second position. In this case, since 2.25 is the answer, so we are going to third position. Position. Okay. And that is 20. Value is 20. So that's why value percentile will become 20. 20th will become 25th percentile. 20 will become 25th. Yes.
What about the result is whole number instead of a decimal? Instead of directly receive 3 instead of a decimal number, it is 3. Then what will
that will become directly you can say that. Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, and yes, so third observation data is ascending order. So ascending order, it's already there, and you can see there is no we didn't took anything in this 3 one, right? So there is no value 30 or anything. Okay. Okay. So what is it? Okay, now compute the median.
Sir, I have a doubt.
Yes.
So for this question, we got it as 2.25. So for another question, like example, if we get 2.05, should we consider the second term or third term?
No, still third. Everything greater than 2, you go to third one.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
So what is the question? I am not able to understand.
Yes, sir. Me also. Please elaborate.
The one she asked or the question which is present on the screen?
Sir, on the screen. So what is meant by converted to 10 points?
What to be converted by 10 points? Yeah.
10 by student test. Converted.
Multiplied by 0.10.
सर इसको हाँ मल्टीप्लाई सो डेसिमल में करके आना लाना.
Converted to okay. So currently, I think the marks is 50, but if you have 10 marks, then a total 10 marks. Then how will you do it? Something like that, I think.
Yes.
Sir, how to give the answer? And क्या sir 10 points मतलब?
So currently we have marks out of 50, right? So what will the median if you calculate out of 10 marks?
10 points, sir, actually.
You are
2 points.
Nothing.
Sir, his answer is 5, sir.
25. It's 25.
5.
5.
We will go to
5 तो
answer.
median है. 5 तो median है.
Okay.
देखना पड़ेगा कौन सा है.
25 median.
25 median है. वहाँ देखो median निकालो. Calculate median if all observations are converted.
Is answer 2.5, sir?
Then table cut.
Please
The
answer
answer
the
is
table. We are
2.5.
not getting this solve the question, sir. Please.
Wait for others to solve it. Wait for others to solve it.
One चालू परवाल ना
Answer 25.
Tell them to mute the mic, sir. Disturbing.
சரியா?
Hello, sir.
You can forcibly mute the entire place.
Answer is 5, sir.
Sir, can you explain the question?
Sure, sure. We'll go there.
Sir, please explain the question.
Yes,
Sir,
yes.
your screen not visible, sir. Zoom written, sir.
Okay.
Sir, your screen is not visible.
Sure, sure. Yeah, but okay, 62. Okay. See, they are saying that.
काम नहीं कर रहा PL.
See, they are saying that I have these numbers. Okay.
Sir, it is given 50 actually. We have to convert it to the 10 pointer, sir.
Yes, yes. So currently marks are calculated out of 50, right? Out of 50.
Yes, out of 50.
So
Now
we have like 12, 18 and all whatever numbers are there. Then they are computed from 50 marks. Now they're saying
sir.
that for this,
Okay, sir, it is
if
clear.
marks were for 10 out of 10, then what will be the, so let's say, so I mean generally what they are doing is we have, let's say, 12 marks, right, out of 50. And if I tell you that what will be out of 10, I mean that's how the question is, right? So
we have to multiply only 10, sir.
right,
No,
so
multiply and divide.
Oh, sir,
yeah, something
answer
like
is 5.
so like 12 is out of 50, then
Sir, median
how much
there,
it will be out of 10, like how much it will be out of 10. So what you do is we multiply this and
12
divide
by
by 50, right?
Yes, sir.
Why divided by 50? Why? What?
Because 50 is the maximum mark.
50 is the maximum, right? So he got 12 marks out of 50. Now we are asking how much he will get out of 10. How much he'll get out of 10. So that's like how much, right? So out of 10. So that's why we need to multiply this part and divide this, right?
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So that is like 120 divided by whatever numbers comes up. Okay, 12 into 2 is 24 divided by 5. 24 divided by
So
5.
answer is 5, right?
Okay. I mean, yeah, this is I'm explaining what does this mean, like so let's find the median out of it. So to find the median we need to find, so there are currently 9 numbers, right? So you know that is odd number, so median will be fifth one, right? So fifth one is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So this will become median.
Sir, can you explain again? नहीं समझ में आया.
Okay.
मीडियन निकाल लिए, उसके बाद दिक्कत है कि वो 10 पॉइंट्स क्या मतलब 25
Okay.
10 पॉइंट्स का क्या है?
Okay. Let's say I have median. So you have heard this, right? New median, right? Then
Median.
let's say I have all the values like
What was the answer?
Sir,
x1, x2, x3 and all, right? All the values are there. Then if I divide all the values by 10, by any number,
sir.
by any number,
10
then
point
what
का
will be
मतलब
the,
यही होता है.
but then I tell you what will be the new median.
2.5.
New median is
Then
Old median into
50 is equal to 10. 50 is equal to 10.
C
50 is
time
Sir, old median divided by
old median divided by
something,
10.
10. Yes.
It's
right? So
2.5.
see, yeah, so something like this. So this is old, and currently
old.
we know that the old median is 25, right? And
Yes,
we are
sir.
dividing all the
Sir,
numbers.
yes, sir.
We are
1 by
dividing
10.
By 50, sir.
No, we are not dividing all of them by 10. We are not doing that. See, the 12 becomes like this, right? So we are multiplying all the numbers by 10 and dividing them by 50. So like 10 by 50. That's what we are doing, right? With each
Yes,
number.
sir.
The C is 1 by 5.
Sir, why divide the 50?
You can
Because
do
50
this
is the
directly
maximum.
also, right?
See how many, okay, let's say I have 25 value.
By
Okay.
arranging.
It's like
Can you
unitary
Can you
method,
share the
right?
joining code again?
Yeah, we will go there. Now currently it's like, we'll go back to screen, then you can see the code. It will be at the right one. Okay, so 25, let's say I have 25 marks out of 50. Okay, out of 50. I ask you to compute how much marks I'll have from the 10, like out of 10. Let's say out of 10, the maximum is 10. Then what will be your answer? 5, right? So how did you got the 5? You multiply 10 with, sorry, 25 with 10 and divided it by 50, right? That's how you get it. 25 multiplied by 10 and divided by 50.
By 50.
Right? So this is the number, and this is what you did with each number. Now I'm saying how much median will be if the marks were out of 10, right? All the marks out of 10, then what will be the median? So you know that old new median is
Multiplied by.
we multiply C by the old median. So in this case, we are multiplying all the numbers by this 10 divided by 50. So 1 by 5. We are multiplying all the numbers by 1 by 5, right? All the numbers. So the old median is 25. So that's how we get the 5 value.
But highest number is 49. Yeah.
So what? I mean, we are not. No, highest number in our data is 45. The maximum,
49.
I mean, out of 50, they were computed. Out of 50, the students got this marks. Yeah. Right?
Yeah.
This.
अच्छा हाँ समझ गया सर.
Manoj, I have, sorry, could you go to the question, please?
Yes, sir.
Sure.
Thank you.
Okay, in the place of 3, the 3 which is vacant, the
Mhm.
leaf, let's say that the 3 is a negative value here, and which is actually and again let's say it's the above 0 555 is repeated here, but 3 is negative. So what will be the effect of the whole result here?
P can't be negative. I mean, these are natural number, right? Marks. If you see the marks
No,
of a
let's say
people,
here it's a mark thing, but if that's the case, that where it can be a negative and it can be represented instantly, is it possible?
yes, then you can write it, but then it will go above 1, right? I mean, it won't be at the
Yes,
third row.
I try to create something of my own and try to work on it, but I am not. I'm not in a position to really cross-check with the thing. I was wondering how to. I mean, if
Yeah,
there is
same thing.
something.
See, let's say it's not natural number. Let's say it's a hypothetical number, contains something temperature or something, right? Temperature, let's say, like temperature is there, and you noted down temperature of, I don't know, I mean Russia or somewhere like that, where negative temperature goes, okay, and
Even
India
Kashmir
also.
goes for. Even Kashmir goes for.
Yeah, okay. So let's say this you are noting out in Celsius, okay. So let's say I mean -2. Then if I write 0, that means -20 temperature went like that. Let's say -1 is there, and you wrote like 5, 6. So that means one day -15 was there, -16. Then let's say 0 is there. So now if I write 0, that means 0 temperature 0 was there, okay. Like that. Or you want -4 degrees, then what you'll write minus how to write -4? This will be +4.
It cannot be
Minus.
cannot be 0 and -4, right?
Then maybe I have to write -4 here itself.
That's what I'm.
Yeah, so something like that. So this, if I write +4, then there will become 4,
It's
and
a
if I
4
write
degrees,
minus,
it's a -4 degrees.
yeah, you can go like this.
Okay. So here, what will be the median for?
Sir, what is?
Sorry.
அந்த பொண்ணு ஃபோன் பண்ணி கேளமா நீ கொஞ்சம் வாங்கி தருவ
Hello?
எனக்கு
Epsiba, could you please mute your mic? Epsiba.
Yeah, who is this?
Epsiba,
Epsiba.
Sir, give us another question and take doubt of
Utkarsh, wait. Utkarsh, wait.
Okay, bro.
Could you please, Epsiba, could you please mute her, or maybe if she's
Can you
continuing,
display the question?
remove her from this. Remove her from the list.
Can you meet all the everyone mic? You can mute all everyone mic.
Sir, it is not late. Please one time repeat.
Yes, sir. Please display the question again.
Okay. Okay, see.
Give us another question and repeat them who need it.
Yeah, sure. We can go to, so we'll go to next
Sir,
question. Okay, so next question is
Can you
okay,
send
like
the
this. Okay,
PLTech
calculate the
website in-
third quartile. Okay, I'll give 3 minutes. Yeah, see.
Sir, please mute the mic, everyone.
Give me a minute. I'll.
Sir, please show the question, sir.
You can see it on this, no? Okay. I have to show
Sir,
question. Yeah.
Sir, can you send the website link of periodic? वो मिल नहीं पा रहा था, बहुत try कर रहा है.
For this periodic, it will be shared with you later on.
नहीं मिल रहा है.
It would have been right in the portal or
Sir?
somewhere. Mail.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
So what is the meaning of quartile?
Quartile.
Q1,
Third
Q3
quartile
minus
is
Q.
75th percentile.
75th, yes.
In this case, 70 is the
sir.
same data. Find the 75th percentile.
Answer is 45, sir.
Yes, sir. That's 45 inches.
Okay. Yeah, whatever answers.
Another question, sir.
Okay, Manoj, it was me who was asking you about the negative strategy.
Yeah, so if negative values are there, then you can find median like this, right? So you arrange them from less to like smaller to higher number, like ascending order basically. So you put them in ascending order, and after the order is there, then there is no problem, right? So let's say how many numbers are there? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 are there. Let's say 8 are there. So what I'll do, I'll take the fourth one, which is this, and the fifth one, which is this, and I'll take the so I'll have -4 and 0 value, right? Like in this.
Sir, is it possible
will become
to
-2.
-4 in leaf?
Sorry?
-4 in leaf, it is possible.
Yes, it's possible. How you write it? I mean, you.
How can I write it?
Like this, like I wrote here.
So see the request, you will return it. 0 for -4.
No, sir. All over.
Yeah, don't worry. See, don't worry. It was related to him. For you, it will be always positive. Okay, but you can write it. I mean.
So the median will be -2 here.
Yes.
Oh, thanks.
So in this case, we can write if like it's -25. So the minus, it would be -2, right? And not 2 and -5. Like the negative sign would be on the stem side.
Yes. I mean, how it will go like this, right? So this is 0. This is negative.
Sir, what is range here, sir? Like
Range
in
will
previous.
Minus minimum.
what is the
Let's call it
relation of in question? It is
No, not in this question. There is no relation with this question. This question is independent. That is a doubt of a different.
Another question, sir.
Yeah.
Thank you.
So much. Thanks a lot.
Okay, so I think time is over. Okay, so 57.
45.
Okay, so in this 75th percentile, we have to find data is same, which was earlier there. Okay, so yeah, data, where is it? Okay, this is 12, 18. Can write it again. So data is same, like 12, 18, 20 was there, 25. Then
2 times 47, 45, 47, and 15.
Okay, 45, 47, 49.
Yes, sir. Yeah, 49.
Something like this. Okay, so they are asking what is 75th percentile? The third quartile.
Yeah.
Third quartile is 75th percentile.
Yes.
Okay. So that means we have to do 70, like n into p, right? So that is the thing, like formalize n into p. P is the percentile.
9
so in this
into
case,
0.75.
again 9 is there, and we need to do 75 divided by 100, which is 0.75. That's how you do it, right? In the course or so. So if you find this
6.75.
That's 7.5.
6.75.
Okay, 6.75.
6.75, sir.
Yeah, you can do. You can use calculator. 6.7. So the nearest integer value higher than this is 7.
So 45.
So I have to go 7th one. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So this is the 7th one.
Yeah,
is 45.
45.
Sir, if it is negative, sir, then sir, we have to proceed towards positive direction, sir.
Yeah, always in
Its
the
answer is 7.
ascending order. Okay, always in the ascending order.
Like
Sir,
greatest integer function.
what is 75th?
Yeah,
Yes.
greatest integer function. That's right.
So assume it's sir minus 6.75. Sir.
Then you go to minus
Fifth.
6.
Sixth.
Minus 6. Because minus 6 is greater than minus 6.75.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Sir, what is
And one more thing,
always
if it is
get a
6.3, something like that, then it will be 6, right? Like, the
Yes.
nearer will be the
Yes.
6.
Yes. So in negative, you go one above, which is higher. Okay, so you go to greater side.
Okay. For this one, the decimal 6.4, if I'm getting 6.4 or 6.5, what will be the nearer? If it is 6.5, it's the middle of the one.
No, it doesn't matter middle or anything. You have to go greater only.
Sir, why should it be negative?
Not here. If numbers are negative, then it could be possible.
No, but number of observation is
Yes.
always greater than 0, right?
Yes, correct. It will never go negative. Correct.
Yes.
Correct.
75th percentile.
Yeah, it will never go negative. Correct.
The last point I couldn't get actually for it. The answer is, the NP answer is 6.5. Then what will be the which number we have to take?
You have to always go greater.
7.
Greater than whatever value.
Just like greatest integer function, sir.
Yeah. Greater. Okay. Higher than this.
Okay. Even though if it is a 6.3, so
Yeah.
the nearer will
Yeah,
be
yeah.
7 only.
Yes.
Yes.
Greater.
Okay.
You have to go greater.
Okay.
Higher than that.
Sir, I'm not clear to calculate the 75th percentile. What is suddenly born in 75th?
What do you mean by 7? I mean, okay. So what is the question? I mean, explained it. So what is the question in that?
Before going to the chart, please key chart.
So what does it mean 5 numbers?
5 number summary is there, no? So minimum 25th percentile, median 75th percentile, maximum.
What do you mean the 5 number summary?
Okay.
What is that?
5 number summary is minimum first quartile, median second quartile, and maximum. So quartiles are 25th percentile, 50th percentile, and 75th percentile.
Could you please come again? Like
Nice
5
one,
number
sir.
summary means.
Sir, do we
Hello.
need to write
Yeah,
the minimum value, maximum value, and all of the quartiles, sir? Is it like that?
Yes.
Okay, all the values are by clicking the commas also, right?
Yes.
Okay, sir.
Mummy, take to India, mummy. ना पढ़ने में देखो
So could you please explain that 5 number summary? I'm not
ना
getting.
मन में
5 numbers.
अब वो नहीं गए
The 5 number summaries are
ना मांगा
minimum
कितना
25th
करेगी
percentile. Okay. 50th percentile. Then 75th percentile.
Okay.
And maximum.
Okay.
So this is 5 number summary. These 5 numbers are 5 number summary. This is minimum.
Yes, sir, it is clear. Third place it is
Sir,
75th.
done, sir.
Okay.
Sir, first place is 25th.
Done, sir.
25. Second place is 15. Third
Sir,
place
done.
is
Yes.
75th.
Yes.
Okay. Fourth place is max. Sir, but fourth place is 100.
No. 75th percentile is the fourth one.
Third one.
Yeah, sir. 45, 74, 30.
वो माँ बता दे
13.5
Third one
बता
is
दे
75th.
This
Sir,
answer is
maximum is
151.
right 49.
Okay, sir.
No.
Yeah, maximum is 49.
Yes, maximum is 14.
And minimum is 12.
Sir, okay. Go to the next.
Okay.
The answer is 151.
Okay.
12, 20.
Minimum 12, maximum 49, 25th
Yeah.
percentile 20, 50th
20, 50, and
percentile
45.
25, and 17th percentile 45.
45.
Correct.
Maximum is 49.
Yeah.
Okay. So yeah.
Sir, I have a doubt regarding stem and leaf, sir.
This is okay.
Sir,
Stem and leaf.
suppose, yes, sir. Sir, suppose in stem it is 0 and leaf it is given 2. So we will write on 2.
Yes.
And if it is given -2 in stem and leaf is 0 to -20.
Yes.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Sir, whether it
Next.
will also in
Okay,
points,
so
integers.
Another question, sir. Next.
See, we had 5 numbers, right? Summary we needed to find out minimum value, Q1, Q2, Q3, and maximum value, right? So in this, if I go and say so this is the minimum value, right? That's how it's arranged. This is how minimum value is. You need to find first quartile, which is 25 percentile, right? So 0.25 of 9 NP. Okay, so NP, N is 9 and 25th percentile is
2.25.
0.25, which we already did, right? Which we already did.
It's 20.
Which
20.
is what, 20, right? 20. So this
Yes,
is
sir, 20. 20.
yeah. So that number is 20 as well. So that means here. Now we need to find 75th percentile, and that number
Is
will come out
45.
as 7th one. So
Yeah.
Sir, 15th one.
Previous
You
question.
forgot about 15.
yeah, 50th one.
45.
So 50th one
That
is
is 25.
yeah, that is 25. So which one is it? 4 and here 4. So this is the
Middle
one.
5. Middle 5.
This is the one, right? So
The
this
fifth
is
term.
Yes.
50th one. So this is Q2. This is Q1. This is Q3.
Q3.
And this
49
9
is
is
maximum.
maximum.
49 is
Maximum.
max.
49 is max, and this is the minimum. Okay. So something like that. I mean, in this writing.
Sir,
But this is how it is.
while calculating percentiles, why don't we generally use the method used by Google Sheets?
I mean, I don't know. That's how the registration defined it. I'm not sure.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, so that's how it is. Then okay, so now they are asking what is interquartile range. So that is the question.
So, sir, can you turn off stats?
Sorry.
33, sir. Answer is 33.
What is
Yeah,
that?
sir. Yeah, sir.
What is turning off stats?
33, sir. Answer.
So 33
Sir,
नहीं,
answer is 25.
Q3 minus Q है ना? 45 minus 20 is
25.
25, sir.
Yeah, whatever
I-
submitted. Don't speak. Let others all know.
Sorry.
So next question.
Can you explain interquartile range?
Q3 minus Q1 is called interquartile range.
Yes.
Sir, can you please once again explain the 5-number summary, sir? How we can calculate?
Find the minimum value, first quartile
Okay.
range, second quartile, third quartile, and maximum range.
Maximum.
Yes. So
We have to do mean also.
not mean, median.
Median.
Percentiles, right? We are computing percentiles only. See, minimum value. Okay. So that is the one. Then there is Q1. Q1 is 25th percentile. Right. So that is there. Then there is 50th one.
50.
Then there is 75th.
75th.
Then there is
And
maximum.
max.
Okay, so something like that. So that's how it.
Thank you.
This will be your answer.
Okay. In this, okay. Yeah. So in this, see, interquartile range is Q3.
Q3 minus Q1.
Q1, right? So we already
Yes.
did find this both of them.
Yes, sir.
Q3.
45 minus
Yeah,
20.
45 minus 20 is
25, sir.
Right. So quite
Yes, sir.
Q3 was 45.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
75th percentile.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And then
Minus
subtract
20.
Minus 20, sir.
So
20,
that
sir.
will
Quarter
become
25, sir.
25.
Please keep quiet. All the other students, please keep quiet.
Okay, so that's how you do that.
Next question, sir.
So next question is next question. Okay, the next question is will be on this.
What is Q3 minus Q1? What?
Interquartile range.
Answer क्या था?
20. Answer is 20. 5, sorry, 25.
25.
45 minus 20 is 25. Yes, 20. Answer is 25.
Okay. Sir, this slide. What is
Okay.
this?
So okay, so now there is something called outliers. Okay, so outliers you find with interquartile range. Since you will have interquartile range, so IQR you will have it. Okay.
Yes.
In this case, it came out to be 25. Okay, in our question. So outlier is something. It could be less than the data or greater than the. So let's say data is here. Okay, like this somewhere. And if a point is very far away from this data, like very far, then this become outlier, right? And let's say it could be less than also, like from the all this data. So there's like in between some. Okay, and this point is outlier. So how
Sir,
do
how
we
far,
define
how close?
an outlier? So through defining outlier mathematically, what we do is we say that a value, okay, which is 1.5. So here, I mean, if it's in ascending order, you will come across like Q1 and Q3, right? Q3 will be there in the data. So if a value is less than Q1 minus 1.5 times IQR. IQR is Q3 minus Q1. Okay, so
Yes,
that
sir.
remember. So if I do that, and if its value is less than this value, okay, whatever this value comes up, this
और Q3 में
this
प्लस
one.
होता है.
So this will become outliers. This value will become outlier.
1.5.
This is the
This
first quartile.
so
The
why
first percentile.
hello, you can so there are multiple numbers you can keep. So this is a constant like C, but statisticians kept it 1.5. Okay, this is found like that, like so in some studies you might see that they use one only, some use two also, something so but in most of the statistics you will come across this 1.5 only. Okay, so that's how this being defined.
Does it depend on the purpose of use?
Yes. So if you want far, like let's say a data which is like near, so this is 1.5 time of this, right? That's what this means. If you want even far to become outlier and not this to outlier, then you can increase the number. So if as you increase this numbers, the outlier has to be very far to become it outlier. Okay, the distance.
लेफ्ट साइड वाला इंक्रीज होगा तो क्या नेगेटिव में ऐसे कुछ है क्या?
हाँ, negative side. Increase means far. Distance should be distance, or you can say in the scale. Or okay, so in the positive side, value, if a value is greater than Q3 plus 1.5 times.
Sir, can you explain it again?
IQR.
That's very simple. And how to go through this.
Here the formula is used to find the outliers, right, on both the sides for the given
Okay. Okay, I'll explain this IQR, then I'll unmute you all. Okay. See, this is called outliers. There are, first thing you need to find IQR. Okay, this is Q3 minus Q1. Q3 is 75th percentile. Okay, tile, and this is 25th. Okay, I got 75th, and this is 25th percentile. Okay, so that's how you find the this is called third quartile. That's why Q3. This is called first quartile. So that's why Q1. Okay. Now that's how you will find the IQR. Then outlier will become like outliers, right? Either they can be less than this, less than certain thing, and greater than side. So what will that? So this will become outlier if it is less than Q1 minus 1.5 times IQR. And then if this if it is greater than, this will become outlier if this value is greater than Q3 plus 1.5 times IQR. Okay, so let's say so this is how data set is there, and these are far points are there, right? So this will be this will become outlier if it is like Q1 minus 1.5 times IQR. At this point, if I can say this outlier only if it is so it is less than this, and this is like greater than Q3 plus 1.5 times IQR. Okay, so this is how we find the outliers. Okay, now if you have any doubt, go ahead.
I had a doubt how to find sample variance after we add a specific amount to every data.
Okay, anything here interquartile range?
No, sir. Interquartile range is like clear. You explained very well.
Okay.
The interquartile range that we
IQR, sorry, outlier, any problem with
Outlier is the
The
weak
right-
of the.
Hello, sir. Can you explain interquartile?
Sir, the sign
Sir,
is
if the value is, sir,
different, right? On the right hand side, you mentioned
if
that
there are series of numbers, then how can we define it is outlier, it is not outlier? If the question is that find the outlier between them, then how can we find?
That is the question, right? So you find this thing, you find this Q1 minus 1.5 time IQR. Is it less than this? Is it greater than that? This one. Then that become outlier.
768.
Okay.
7, 5, 7, 6, 8.
Okay. So okay, see, how many questions are there? I guess one or two are there. Then I'll explain how sample variance will change with the numbers. Okay.
Can you
Okay.
explain
So this is the question.
Okay, sir. Please next question.
Yeah. How
Sir,
many
please take my
outliers are
doubt.
there? Find the outliers.
Sir, please
This
take
is
my
to A,
doubt.
this is to A, to Z to E.
Sir,
Yeah.
so what if the value of n into p is an integer?
Then that number will become the percentile, right?
Yeah.
So
Can you please hear
Sir,
that?
sir, can you please explain one more time question number 6? Now only I joined.
so this data is given stem and leaf. The key is like this. So if 1 is written in the stem and 2 is written in the leaf, that means 12 according to the key. Okay. So they are saying so this marks are out of 50 marks. And then how many outliers are there in this data? So outliers you have to find.
Sir, please solve it. Not able to solve this question.
Sure. Give some time so others are solving. Okay.
It's very simple, sir. Do something.
Yeah, that's okay. Okay, so you have 2.5 minutes. Try to solve this. Okay, guys, submit. Only 31. Okay, you can ask. Or I'll explain.
Negative.
Sir, done, sir.
Okay. So I think very less responses. You're not doing it, but
Excuse me, sir. Sir, can you please after the session
Can you please upload the PDF of this session?
Sure. Yeah, we do that. Okay. So
Where, sir?
Where we,
Where?
where we can get those stuff, please.
yeah, sure.
Hurr.
I'll put it in link. For now, I'll put it in chat. Later on, I don't know. It will be available in supplementary content or somewhere. It will be available. Okay, this link. Okay. So we have the data. It's again same thing. So we need. Earlier we did find IQR, right? In this like here. So we did find this IQR Q3 minus Q1, which came out to be 45 minus 20, 25. Now they are saying what is this Q1 minus this and this. So generally we call them like lower bound, which is Q1 minus 1.5 times IQR. Okay. So that will become, so Q1 is what? 20. Okay, I know from this. That's what I did. Q1 minus Q3.
Minus 17 point.
So from that I into minus 1.5 times what? 25.
Minus 17.5, sir.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes.
So that will become minus 17.5. So that means I'm saying that if a value is less than minus 71.5, then it will become outlier.
Outliers, yeah.
So if it is less than this, like this is okay, this is greater, but you have to go even less than minus 70.5. Okay, so that's lower bound. What is
Sir,
upper bound?
upper bound is coming, sir, 82.5.
There is no
So
outlier,
what
sir.
you do for Q3 plus 1.5 times
Right.
IQR.
Yes, 82.5.
So if you write that will become 45.
45 plus
45 plus
1.5.
1.5 into 25, sir, which will
Right,
be
so
82.
it will
There
be
is no
82.
outliers.
So I know, so they are saying that if a value which is like
Smaller than minus 17.5 and bigger than 82.5. So
yeah,
there are
yes.
no values, sir.
17.5 and how much? 82.
82.5.
Yeah, 82.5. Okay, so
There is no
if
outliers.
here a value is there or there a value is there, then that will become outlier. But there is no value between, like, sorry, this minus. Okay, so minus.
sir.
So because we know that value exists in between 0 to 40, 0 to 50. That's the max possibility. Marks are there, right? These are
Sign of
marks.
82.5 is wrong, I think.
17.5.
Yeah, that's correct.
It's correct, sir.
Okay.
It's correct.
Okay. You can do like 35 into.
Oh, sir,
Sir,
sign
I
of
wrote
82 to
the
1.5.
lower bound correctly, but here
Okay.
minus in my system minus is not working.
But you don't have to give it, right? You have to write the outliers. How many outliers are there? 0. That is the answer.
Sir, do you have more
Yes,
questions,
zero.
sir? Or this is the last question, sir?
The
Give me a
last line,
minute.
can you explain it, the number of outliers?
Sir,
So yeah,
do
that
you
was
have
the last question. Yes, this is the last question.
So can we leave,
This is a
sir?
recorded session.
Sir, can we leave, sir?
Sure.
The
If
last,
you
can you
Thank you,
please,
sir.
that last line, how the
Thank you, sir.
outliers are 0.
Sir, cannot.
We
how
got
This is a
the
outliers
recording
are 0.
session.
minus
Recorded session.
17, minus 17.5 and 18.2. So how
I had asked about sample variance after we add a specific amount to a data.
Sir, how it is 0, sir?
Sir,
Okay. See. There are no outliers, right? So that's what it means. There are no outliers. Okay. See, in this, we find the lower bound. Lower bound comes out to be minus 17.5. Minus 17.5. And upper bound is 82.5. 82.5. So if a value is greater than this, then that will become outlier. Or if it's less than this, then it will become outlier, right? So is there any value less than minus 17.5 in data? No, right?
No.
Is there any value greater than 82.5?
No.
Sir.
So that's why there are no outliers. If there is a value like 89 present in our data set, then that would have become outlier. Okay. Something like that.
got it?
Yes.
Understood,
Sir,
sir.
like while computing percentile, we decide P and N, and professor told us like if NP is an integer, then we have to
Add
calculate the
1.
average of NP and NP plus 1. And while it is not an integer, so
Oh,
we
okay. Yeah,
calculate nearest integer and
you.
consider that value.
Oh,
So
yes,
I'm little
correct.
bit confused in this process.
Okay, I recall that. Okay, see, they are saying that uh, if you find some percentile and let's say the values are like this 5, 6, 7, 8 or something. They say that this is the value which comes out to be the NP, n into P, okay, is equal to 4. Then what you can do is you can go here like then you can do 4 plus 5 divided by 2, and that will become 4.5 in our case. So if values are like, let's say 1, 2, 3, 4, 8, 9, 10, 11, and
Sir,
then
but
let's say this.
4.5 is not included here, right?
Yes, but still yes, correct. 4.5 is not there, so we go here like 8th one. This will become right. So this 5th will become the. So 4.5 is the position of that. So 5th will become the percentile value.
No, sir, like we
This
fifth
means
calculate NP is like
the
integer.
increment one every samples in one means so we can take the median value, and if the increment is not even, so which means not like addition of one, then we need to combine and so we need to take the next one, right?
Yes. So that will become next one only, I think.
Like one fifth observation. I didn't understand, sir. Am I audible?
Yes. So okay, what is the issue?
I didn't understand like NP is 4. So we calculate the average of fourth observation and fifth observation.
Okay, actually,
the numbers
I
and
don't
the
recall how
NP.
ma'am taught, but I think it is like this. Okay, I haven't have a doubt with that, but how we generally do is little. It's not
Like
different,
ma'am
but
told
same
us
thing.
like if NP is an integer, then position like NP and NP plus 1, the second position, and we take the average of it.
Okay.
And we consider the value corresponding to it.
Okay. I'm not sure about that. Why? But say
Sir, when we will get the hall ticket?
I am not sure. You can mail to support for that.
Okay, sir.
Share of dispersion, so mean, median, I think in percentile.
Yeah.
Sir, can I ask my question?
Sure. So percentile, okay,
Sir, I
then
checked with
they are saying that
Microsoft Copilot. So irrespective of it is taking median value number only.
yes, so that's what it is, sometimes
like this
different
like third point, like
rules use. Yeah.
If NP is an
So can we
integer,
access this papers or only you?
Then is equal to Google, however it is done.
The third point, sir, here.
Yeah.
I'm little bit confused.
If NP is an integer, then the average of value of position NP and NP plus 1 is the sample.
Can we access this PDF from website?
Okay. So they are saying yes, you can access it. So from the website. So they are saying okay. Then they are saying then the average of the values in the position at NP and NP plus 1 is the 100. Okay, I will explain that. So let's say this case. Okay, so this 4 and 8 is there now. We have this values. Okay, so let's say this is the any percentile. Let's say 25th percentile or anything. Like I don't say this looks like 50th, but okay, so let's say this 50th percentile or something. Then let's say this value came out like the fourth one. Okay, according to anyhow. Then what they're saying is we take the n p and n plus so nth one and n plus 1th one.
Yeah.
So
like 4 plus 8 divided by 2.
Yes, so that will be 6.
It will be 6.
Yeah, but 6 doesn't exist in data, true. But this will become the percentile value. Still, it will become this. So it doesn't exist in our data, but yes, this will be the percentile.
This is the correct method while we get integer like NP, product of NP is integer.
Yes, correct. You don't go like directly to this fourth one, but you find this, but that data doesn't exist in our, I mean that 6 doesn't exist in our data, right? Still it will become the percentile. That one. Okay. So yeah, if it's integer, then you go to that.
Thank you.
Sir, can I now ask my doubt?
Yes.
Are we going to discuss sample variance in next class, or we had discussed this?
We already
previously?
discussed it. Yes, this is discussed. Everything is discussed.
But can I ask a question about it?
Yes. So you are saying, if we add something to it, right? Then how it affects?
The specific amount to each and every entry we do, like
Yes.
every data when we if we take example of a retail shop, when we take data of 9 shops and we add 3 rupees to each data of.
So let's say I have this. Okay. So you want to add it, right? Okay.
Yes,
See, let's say this is the data, right? X1, X2, X3. This has some sigma square, which is variance, or you can say standard deviation, whichever you want. So if you want standard deviation, you can underroot it. Okay, it's your choice. So then you add 3 to all of them or any number. So in this case, let's say 3. Okay, you add it. Now you want to find how much new sigma square is. Okay. So in this case, what you do is, since you add it up, right, like nothing you did, so that will become as equal to sigma old. I mean that was okay, sorry,
But if in the question sigma old isn't given,
then you have to find the old one, right? I mean these 5 values are given, right?
in the question, like nothing is given instead of the data and the number we are adding and total number of observations.
So data is
Only
given,
three
right? This
people.
data is given, x1 to x5.
Yes, sir.
So from that you can find sigma old, right? So this is sigma old, this is old.
Yes.
Meaning is if you are adding any constant, the value will be
Variance.
same, old and new.
Yes, it will be same. It will not change.
Sir, I have another question related to the same the sample variance. There is a 2 type of formulas I'm just seeing. But when I checked with the numbers, it's giving the same answer. So which one we need to follow, sir? Because I confused. So
Sir, excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, please, that data, sir, 46, it's 46, 45. Please take out that page, sir. Yeah, I'm just asking.
Which 46, 45?
Sir, in every question, sir, there is 20, 15, 16, sir. Any question, sir.
Sir,
So,
should I tell you?
I mean, so, okay, so what is the problem?
Sir, in quartile, like, I mean, in first quartile, then 25, 0.25 into number of terms, na?
Yes, yes.
And
Number of
sir, when you are, I mean, you are dividing it in half, then the quartile is coming other is essential at once.
yeah, this is the first quartile. Then we have like 0.50, which is second quartile, and then we have 0.75, which is third quartile.
Yes.
Yes, so I mean, this how this quartiles are coming out to be from percentiles. So this how you find n into p is the percentile, right? So in this case, this specific points like 0.25, 0.15, 0.75 became this quartiles. The rest you can find like this, right? Any formula, any value like this is 0.4 you want to find 40th
सर वो
percentile.
सर इससे और मतलब वो सेट का जो आधा कर रहे थे तो उससे मतलब सेम
नहीं
एग्जैक्ट आएगा
नहीं this
तो वही तो कहा है सर
that was just the imagination of this. You cannot
अच्छा
find it. That's
हम्म
the like
ठीक है
visual representation that what you are doing.
ओके सर कोई दिक्कत ठीक
Sir, that
I have one question
form
from
of
practice assignment. Can you take it up?
Sure. So which one? Third one.
Because it's different for everybody. So very different. So there, it's a 5-point basically data, which has max. It has a max. It has a Q1
Which
quantile.
question? Which activity question? I mean, where is
Practice
it?
3.4. 3.1.
Yeah.
3.1. Yeah. 3.1. Yeah.
Fourth one.
No, not this one. Not this one. So in my it says second one, maybe.
3.2.
No, not 3.1. Go for 3.1.
Okay. Second one. This one.
There is not this, neither this one. No.
Yeah.
No.
Okay. For I think for different people it will be different one.
Shall I share my screen?
Yes,
Yeah.
sir. Yes.
No, you are disabled. Can you please?
Okay, disabled.
Chat में
भी disabled है ना? Chat भी disabled है, सारा ही disabled. So I can avoid the question. It's easy. It's not very tough.
I think you can share now.
Let me try. Yeah, now it's possible.
sir, coming the
Can you see the screen now? Yes. The 5 numbers summary of 19 observation.
Okay. Yeah, I can see now. Yes.
So the numerical values of observations are given. Max is 25. Quartile 1 is 35. 50th median is 47. Now 56 is the quartile 3 and 78 is the max. So on this basis, how to find the mean of the data?
I guess you can't. Hey, from 5 number summary, you can't find the mean. It's not possible.
A range?
A range is possible, right? Max minus minimum.
Max minus 78 minus 25.
In answer, the mean of the data is 41.133. It is.
It is correct. I don't think so.
नहीं उसे हम कैलकुलेट कर सकते हैं.
कैसे किया आपने? मीन? नहीं रेंज फाइंड कर लिया होगा आपने जैसे बताया. मीन कैसे फाइंड किया?
मीन भी आ जाएगा सर.
बताओ कैसे किया?
एक मिनट देखना पड़ेगा.
It's a multiple choice question.
सर उसका आंसर वो सबमिट करने के बाद दिखा रहा था बट कि मीन ऑफ डाटा
वो तो मैं समझ गया सबमिट करके, लेकिन मीन ऑफ डेटा कैसे, इट्स सो कंफ्यूजिंग. हैव यू सीन द एंटायर आंसर?
So for you, answer is coming out. So that is a true option or not? No.
Mean of data is true. Then range is also true. Then interquartile, maybe I have to check.
Data is true. Because 5 number summary of this.
Let me check.
And could be true.
So range, yeah, interquartile is true. Then also the range of mean is true. So 41.132. So it's a basically the question says, I have also checked, but I was also confused the way it has gone actually.
So which mean they are talking about?
So
If
they
I
had
sum this
basically
5 number,
how it has approached what I was doing, but I was also confused why it has approached like this. They considered like zero minimum value is on 25th observation. So all the observations below 2 to 24 would be having the minimum possible values of 25. And then maximum possible values of would be 26 to 49. So this is every quartile they have calculated. Then 24 observation multiplied by that. That will be actual the sum up of the first 25. Then similarly for 20 to 35 they have minimum and max, and then sum up of all those multiplied by number of observations. Then similarly multiplied all the observation between 47 and 56 min and max, and similarly for 56 and 78 calculate the number of observation into the min and max, and then divided by number of observation, that is 100.
Yes, sir, this was the method.
Yeah, that I understood, but is this the right way? So is you want to say that then we can calculate for every all the
Still is-
database?
I am not sure. I need to look into this. I'm not sure. No idea.
Okay.
Any other question?
Sir, that sample variance. So the formula, is there two formulas are there?
No. That is
Yes. Same question, sir.
two formulas.
So there is a one formula related to in textbook is a summation of I to 1, I equal to 1 to n, and xi minus x bar the whole square divided by n minus 1. So another one is sum squared divided by n minus 1 minus sum of whole squared divided by n into n minus 1.
Yes. So saw that.
Divided by n into n minus 1.
Yes, sir, I also saw that. And that's giving correct answers for many questions also.
So both formulas giving the same answer, but madam, we confused it. So is there any purpose for?
But in the second formula, we are only squaring the summation of x, not summation of x upon n minus 1 complete. Like we are not squaring the denominator in the next formula.
Yes, yes.
And in the first formula, we are squaring the total whole thing.
Yes. So there is a so the whole thing squaring is there. Yes, it's there. So if you derive the formula, or if you expand the formula x minus x bar square, so square will be like then x square, then x bar square minus 2 x into x bar, right? Something like that. So that is the expansion of the same thing. So that is not different, same thing. It's just written in two different ways. But this n into n minus 1 coming out, that I'm not sure what.
Yeah, so that's but I'm just checked with the numbers, but then the answers are coming same.
Yeah, okay. So maybe in sample variance, if you use and expand it, that will come out, I think. Okay, so that needs to be, yes, that is not possible, right? It's just 1 minus 1 by n minus 1, and then you have to go like that. So I'm not.
Can
I
you
have to
repeat the
solve.
formula? So that is sum of squared divided by n minus 1. Then minus sum squared divided by n into n minus 1.
Yeah, so that is possible. Yes, I mean that is correct, but that is just expansion of that. So if you go and x minus x bar whole square, if you expand that using a minus b whole square formula, then go and sum it up, you will have that formula. So it's same thing, just written in different way. Yes, that is possible.
So can you please take an example of what I had asked earlier? Because I am not able to solve it. I tried it many times.
What?
When we add a particular thing to the data and then
Then
like
there is no change in standard deviation.
all
Okay.
sample variance is then given and I'm not able to find it out also.
Okay, you are not able to find out the old. Okay, can you give more? So what kind of numbers are given?
54, 15. Should I tell the data?
Yeah, if you have, then that would be better.
But your screen isn't visible.
Sure, I'll do that. Give me a minute. Okay. Sharing my screen. Yeah, okay, go ahead.
The first one is 54.
Okay, so okay, so I have
Then
50.
59.
Okay, then
59.
okay,
Then 83. Then 63. 55. 79. 30. 58 and 47.
okay. So this is the data.
Yes, sir. And
Can you
total.
find sigma square for this, or sigma for this?
Yes, sir. I can find sigma for this.
Yeah, so that will be the same sigma for the new one, right? If you add 3 on this, every one,
Yes, sir.
let's say you add that, so it will not change. It will become same as the sigma square which you founded from this numbers.
Okay, sir. Actually, I had find sigma and it came out to as 528.
So sigma is 528, sigma square 528.
Sigma is 528.
Yeah, so whatever, it's the same thing. Okay, so it will not change at all.
But
by
in
adding
addition, it has asked the sample variance.
Sample variance, but will
Yes.
not change, right?
But it's not given, so how?
I mean, you can find from this, no? This how to calculate. Okay, you calculate a 1 minus n minus 1 summation of from I to n. Okay, then each value you take, then from that you subtract the mean of it. You can find the mean.
Yes, sir.
You can find the mean, right? So n minus 1 is like this. So whatever numbers are there, n minus 1, and xi is the each value, like 54 minus bar and all, and square of this. So like this, you can find the
We have
sample.
to square each and every value.
Huh?
We have to square each and every value, then we have to add it.
Yes.
Okay.
Subtract.
I was thinking there is any short method. I'm doing the more lengthy way.
Yeah, so you can expand this. There will be a small method of this, like the n into n minus 1, whatever formula is coming out, right? So you can do that. You can expand this.
Okay, sir.
So the square is there, right? Try to expand that and submit up.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay, next. Okay, then we can close it. Okay, bye then.
Bye, sir.
Bye.
Thank you.